Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to talk about SQL fundamentals. What are the fundamentals of SQL? Now, what included in fundamentals? In the fundamentals, it will be included like what are the uh, minor syntax, how to write the coding, okay, how we can create tables, how we can insert, update, or delete, what are the data types, how to give comments, how to write a script. Okay, so these are the simple fundamentals of SQLite. Right, and today we are going to talk about that fundamentals. So फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, वापस हम वहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं जहाँ से हमने लास्ट टाइम किया था. दैट इज व्हाट इज SQLite. So the SQLite, the clear definition of SQLite is it is an embedded relational database management system. Okay, so for us, the first point is it is a relational database management system. Okay, so in the same way that you have learned Oracle. ओके, और वहाँ पे जिस टाइप की क्वेरीज या जिस टाइप का आपने स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट किया था, एग्जैक्टली वैसा ही स्ट्रक्चर हम यहाँ पे क्रिएट करेंगे. ओके, देन सेकंड पॉइंट सेज इट इज सेल्फ कंटेन्ड, serverless, zero configuration and transactional SQL database engine. Okay, now each and every word contains its own meaning of the SQLite. First, it says it self-contained. So self-contained, which means it does not require any extra support from anywhere else, right? One single file contain the whole database. Okay, one single file contain the whole RDBMS system. You can just have to access it. Then second is the serverless. Now serverless means what? It does not require any server. Okay, it does not require any server. Say like if I'm talking about SQL server, which provided by the Microsoft. Okay, now SQL Server contains its own server and client.